On a Chromebook, if you want to select all text, similar to Windows, you just press the Ctrl and A button and it'll automatically select everything on the screen. Ctrl A. You can see it selected everything. So that's nice. But let's say you didn't want to select everything. You want to just select individual things one at a time. You can always just press and hold the Shift key. So I'm going to press and hold the Shift key and go down, and that allows me to select things. A quicker way is to use the page up and page down. I mentioned before, you'll just have to use the search button over here with the arrow keys up and down. So if you press Shift, Search, arrow down, it simulates a page down select. So you have to include the search button for it to do page down when you use the down arrow key. So let's do this again. Actually, let's say I want to do page up instead. So I'm selecting over here in the bottom. Hold Shift to select a group of text. And then the search button over here with the up arrow together. It's not working as usual. Press the search button and page up. It was selecting it, I just couldn't see it. So that's one way you can select groups of text without just using the arrow key down. That does line by line, but you can do page down with the search button. Again, search button over here, and the arrow key up or down. Up will be page up, arrow key down will be down. So this is just a short tutorial on selecting text in a document. You could use this, in file folders. So if you want to select everything, press Ctrl A. If you want to select line by line, you just press the Shift button and press down or up to select and deselect line by line. And if you want to select by the page, press and hold the Shift button, press the search button, press the search button, and then press down to do page down. Page up, it will be to press the up arrow. So that's it. Just wanted to go through this short tutorial to show people how you can select text in different ways.